This is FPTV. I am Sean the Don, and this is the home of FPTV.
You hear the twans going off in the background. I know you do. Yes, sir, Sean the Don. He's always with us every time we fly. He's definitely with us when I come to a place like this. Are you kidding me? I wouldn't do this alone.
We're not going anywhere, boys. Make sure you keep it locked right here. It's FPTV, baby. Let's go.
Sketchy territory.
Let's try it. Different, I don't know if we can take it. Yeah, let's take it for the full experience. Full experience?
I want the full experience, boys.
Careful on this.
No, I just tested the route. I'm like, this looks better than that.
That's what we use.
Oh. That's not too bad, boys. Yep, that is.
It's a nice little fucking fireplace.
Up here. Yeah, should I hit this light switch? Yeah. Turn the lights off. No, I turned it on. Oh, okay. They'd probably turn on the power and shit right there.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
That's how it works, dude. Tesla and shit.
Free lockers, bro.
When you go in there, look left.
Rusty crusty all over, too.
Oh no, not that alley. Next alley.
And then it's right on these boards. That's because it gets dark and like,
This alley. This is the alley.
oh yeah, there it is.
Oh. Something right there, to the right. There you go.
Look in the alley. That's what I was talking about.
Holy fuck! Dude, Sean said he looked down into that pit. I think it was like, okay. And look, shit's getting dropped from the top. Ew, fuck.
That's where they poop.
That's... bleh. Okay, I'm done. Shitter's full. Oh, there it is. I want a picture up there. I'm not gonna fluff and lie at all.
This place is crazy.
Yeah, it is.
Next level. You did it.
They go all the way up.
There's more? Okay, so slow.
Be careful.
He flew from there, right?
Yeah, he was standing right there.
Yeah. I just wanted to make sure.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, now.
Hey, you climbed the castle. It's just a different one.
Oh, where?
Oh, the little one.
Oh. Huh? To the right, to the right. Oh, we found it, boys. There she is.
Or else I would have done it. Dang, I didn't fly here, so I can't put a slab here.
Where'd the pieces of the cage go? Like rotted away? Damn, it like rotted away. Cause look how solid it is up top.
Yeah.
Look at this shit.
I bet you if this same thing was made today, it
Gone.
would be fucking destroyed.
Oh, it'd have been fucking gone easily. Oh, these are the cells out here too. The little fucking creep shoots you could look in.
Is this solid there? Cause I don't know. Seems pretty,
Sketch over here for sure.
yeah.
This is crazy in here though. Oh, are they more little cells there too that I didn't pay attention to on the way in?
These are like,
This is like
that looks
fucking...
like somebody's home, so I don't know about this.
Yay.
But yeah. Out there, it's kind of cool.
Out that way?
Yeah.
It just goes back?
Back, the next set of cells that way.
Oh, but it's got that creepy round top just to give it that fucking. I can't see anything.
Well, you can tell they've knocked the walls down.
That's what I was gonna say. Is that a piece of fucking marble or something? Stone?
Yeah.
And look, a shelf right here, look. They probably
Maybe it was a shower.
Oh, it is
or
a shower.
something.
see that big metal thing you said next to it.
No. What?
Right back here, man.
Coming back or what?
Yeah, it's raining over that way. Dude, 6. Oh wait, look how thick this fucking glass is.
Fucking crazy. That is that out of the walkway? That's gotta be the walkway glass, I bet. Is that the window?
The walkway.
No, that's gotta be the walkway.
What
That's insane. This walkway is glass. It's just so filthy, you can't tell. Like, look at the top. There's one that's cracked.
Look. Whoa. That is fucking nuts.
But it has to support weight. So
That is
it won't be-
crazy.
And it gives them the benefit of seeing every angle.
Yeah, they can look up.
Oh, there you go. Look at it here.
Nobody can hide.
The Zuba's umbrella will stay in its natural habitat. We have said there has been a sighting.
They used it on the ceiling.
Yeah, the decorating.
Look at that trees like wrapped with the building.
Yeah, dude. Speak on one.
So even that alone, like they used to make the prisons and shit were fucking decorative.
Yeah. Glory hole, dang. Whoever, yeah. 20 bucks to that guy. You can touch both edges.
What you mean?
Oily.
6 or 8 hot save me.
Whoa, see?
So this is the end of the prison. That's a power loophole, isn't it?
Yeah, you're
There's the
right.
pole. There's the handicap chair.
Found the prison staff.
This is on the other side of your wall.
You put that there for a reason. I'll keep it there.
Wait, were we at over here? No.
Yeah, this is
Dude, you guys are standing on a pit. Get the fuck off there. Don't linger. Sorry. That's sketchy. More cells out here. This was probably had a roof at one point.
probably a doll just fucking hole. Just standing over.
It could be. Yeah, that whole thing might have been a basement there. That's fucking super sketch territory.
It was cool because it's a different vibe than inside. Inside gives you the chills.
Yeah, because it's so
Screw that creep shoe. Oh, that is a big ass.
What?
This funny fluid.
You ain't encountered that one.
I'm so.
Oh, that's a big metal door there too. That slides shut.
There's a guy in a white shirt and a guy in a red shirt, right?
Yeah.
What if that one was... What if that was...